Today we're taking a look at Honokowai East 111. This has a
unlocked
nice keypad that has a thumbprint and a number activation to get it going. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath unit. When you walk in, you have the option of going to the living room, or you can go into the first bedroom. This bedroom is going to have 3 beds in it. There is another pull-out underneath the bottom bunk. Have some nice shutters for a lot of natural light, a lot of airflow through here, which is very helpful. We do have a full 6-foot closet. There's going to be an organizer, a vacuum, and some little plastic drawers in here for you. We have the bathroom in between the 2 bedrooms. One big sink, plenty of counter space, some drawers in here. Have a linen closet. Now this unit will be furnished, but it will not be supplied with towels or linens. I have a nice little walk-in shower. Coming into the other bedroom. Good sized TV in here on a little entertainment stand. Closet in the corner. Again, we have some shutters with some nice natural light. Some windows over there. And then on the other end of the hallway was the living room. Plenty of seating. Fans in all 3 rooms. Big TV in here. Cable and internet are both included in this unit. Full-size kitchen. Nice microwave, stainless steel appliances. We got a working range, refrigerator. Nice little dining set over in the corner. Outside we have the same situation. Nice little seating area, and it looks out to the pool. The pool entrance is going to be on a little sidewalk right over here. There's tennis courts on property as well. But as you can see, this is a concrete building, so noise does not transfer through very often. It's hard to make noise go through concrete walls. And the unit does have an AC unit. Electric is included. And this wraps up Honokowai East 111.